You should.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to S-Boys TV, and today we have another Civic video for you guys. James picked up this Grille, but it doesn't have an emblem or anything, so it's going to clean up the front end a lot. It's going to look way better. So we're just going to obviously walk you through doing it, show you guys hopefully how to do it. We're also figuring it out ourselves. Should be pretty simple, but yeah, we're just going to get into doing it and show you guys what it looks like after. Alright guys, so we're being a little redneck here, but we're going to Dremel off the clips on the bottom, and then we're just going to zip tie the new Grille on. James wanted to do that, so that's what we're doing.
Yeah, it's not ideal, but I literally can't be bothered to try and fish my hand underneath there and punch everything, so...
And or take the whole bumper off. So we're going to Dremel off the clips, and then get to putting on the new Grille. Alright guys, so the stock Grille is off. Now we're going to put on the non-emblem Grille, the new one. It looks fantastic just looking at it, so we can't wait to put it on the car. So let's get into installing it. Then we'll guys show you some clips of it on the car and stuff like that. A little side note for you guys, check out Mara Dakar. We've become friends with him. He does dash cam racing videos if you guys are into that. Link will be in the description for his channel. Alright guys, so the Grille is on, the old one's off obviously. We're hanging it up on the wall of shame. Guys, you know that's what we do with our old parts. It looks amazing. Sorry it's a quicker video for you guys, but we just wanted to show you guys how to do it. And it changed the front end totally of the car, so it looks way better. So yeah, if you guys are shopping at Motor Element at checkout, use code SBOYS for 15% off. Like and subscribe to the channel, and check out our Instagram and TikTok, SBOYS_TV. We'll put the link down in the description for this Grille, and we'll see you guys next video.
Aren't you glad to meet me?